everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG to Microsoft Word documents. You need to convert a JPG image to an editable Word document, whether it's a scanned document, a screenshot, or a photo with text. I'll show you how to do it using Microsoft Word built-in tools. The first step is to insert the JPG image in Word. And to do that, just open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab, and then click on it, and then select Pictures, and select this device, and go and browse for the picture you want to upload. For example, I'm going to use this one. Now after I chose my JPG file, the second step is to convert the image to an editable text. And to do that, just click on the image and then click on Ctrl+C or CMD+C if you're using a Mac, and then open a new blank Word document, and we're gonna paste it here by clicking on Ctrl+V and selecting the special paste as picture. Now go to File and then click on Save and save it as a PDF. See, Save As, and as soon as you choose where you want to save it, choose PDF and then click on Save. As for the third step is to open the PDF as an editable Word file. And to do that, close the current document and open Microsoft again and go to Files and open and select the saved PDF, and Word will automatically convert the image into an editable text. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you convert a JPG to an editable Word document. This method works best for clear text images, making it easy to edit scanned documents and screenshots. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.